How to hide your Facebook profile from search engines. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your Facebook profile from different search engines. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your settings. So tap on the menu icon up top over here. And then from there, scroll down, go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings. Once you're on the settings menu, you're going to have to scroll down and find the option how people can find and contact you. Then right over here, you'll find this option called Do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? So if this is turned on, search engines may link to your profile in their results. And when this settings is up, search engines will stop linking your profile, but this may take some time. Your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. You basically have to turn this one off. So what this is basically saying is if someone search for your name or something similar to your profile, other search engines can link directly over to your profile, but if you turn this off, that's not going to happen. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.